Today I'm going to show you how to put memory in a desktop computer. First I want to show you this is a desktop module. So you can see it's keyed in the middle. And there's a short end and then there's a larger end. And that's going to snap into the computer. You can see where the other one's installed. Now we're going to install this one. We set it on the board in the module slot. Now we push it. Push it in the center and then it'll lock in place. Once you hear that lock, it's installed. And that's how you install desktop memory.